Hello and welcome. I would like to say thank you to everyone that has viewed this channel, especially the ones that came over from my other channel. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate the new names that I'm seeing in the channel comments. I welcome you. I welcome everyone. I hope you will enjoy this channel and come back and maybe share with your friends if they like to do beading. Can you tell by the title what we're going to do today? And I do hope everyone is having a good day. Let's make it a little bit better by making some jewelry. I titled this Third Time's a Charm because it is the third video that I am posting for this new channel. And we're going to do a charm bracelet. Since Valentine's Day is coming up, I kind of got the theme of hearts. Hearts and love. So, I went through a lot. See all of these? These are all little things that I thought about putting on here. I have some peace signs and some other things that probably would have looked good on here. But for now, we're just going to keep it about love, and this is what I chose to put on here. Everything is in the silver tone metal except for the two beads. These are ceramic beads, green and blue. Green my favorite color and blue my husband's favorite color. So that was my logic behind that. This really is simple, and everything that is going to go into this bracelet was found in a jewelry jar. As far as beads go, I should correct myself. I had to put a pin through this, so the pins were not in a jewelry jar. I had to supply those, but everything else besides those pins came in a jewelry jar. Even the jump rings, the bracelet had this charm on it, which I thought, yes, it's a heart, and it would have gone, but my name doesn't begin with a C, and I really didn't want rhinestones. I didn't want something that could possibly, the rhinestones can fall out. But anyway, in the jump rings, I found these were all together on a stretch cord. So I just snipped the cord, and now I have all of these. I'm trying to think what is, it's probably a 6 millimeter. Yeah, it could be. It's either 5 or 6 millimeter jump ring. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get started. This is a pretty simple project. It's just adding jump rings to charms and adding the charms to the bracelet. I have already marked my center link with a jump ring, which I will remove after I put this one on. But that gives me a guide, and then I will space them out evenly. This is an extra one that I'm thinking I'll put on the last ring. We'll see. But hopefully this will not be a very long video. And I'm using the crimp tool to open up the jump ring. Okay. I don't know, was I on camera when I did that? I just twisted it. And this one, it says, love the Lord your God with all your heart, Luke 10:27. And on the other side, it says, with all my heart. So I'm going to put this one here, and I'm going to attach it. Oh, hopefully. And then I'm just going to close it up. Oh, hear that click? It's a nice fit. Okay, we've got one. And now I'm going to remove this other jump ring, which I think was the original one with the C charm, so let me get a better grip. Which looks like it's kind of worn anyway, so we don't need that. So one down. Let's move over. I'm counting these from the center 4 over. So this is the link I'll put my next one on, right? So let's get this jump ring opened. Put it through the charm, and this one says, I love you to pieces. So like I said, 4 over, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be this one right here, coming from the bottom. And we're going to start with these. I was going to put maybe in between some tiny little beads to dangle. And I told my husband that. He said, don't clutter it up. So we'll see. I don't hear that click. Okay. So I like it. So let's continue going out. We'll do that. This one is a little darker color, more like a pewter, but this is 1 Corinthians 13:13. The greatest of these is love. Oops. And the greatest of these is love. We are told to love one another. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Yep, right here. I'll do it to hang like this. Okay. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. Well, I'm liking this. I don't normally wear, I guess when I was younger I used to wear charm bracelets. I haven't worn a lot of bracelets in a long time. I've worn some of the stretch bracelets that I've gotten out of these jewelry jars, but I will at least wear this once, see how it feels. So let's do another one on this side, get that jump ring, and in case I wasn't clear, the slit in the jump ring is right at the top. See? And we just grab on to both sides and we twist it. Okay, and then we're going to attach it. And this one doesn't really matter. It's no front or back. It doesn't matter if it turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be this one coming from the bottom. Sure. And sometimes when you put these jump rings together, as you're twisting it back into place, wiggle it a little bit and kind of push toward each other, so in case especially if you see there's a little opening, a little gap there, that will close it up nicely. So, little tip. Okay, well, let's continue on here. I like this. I mean, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I mean, I like the way it's laying on the bracelet. I think it's turning out good. Okay, got this one, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be this one right here. Yep. And we're going to close it up. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So you can see the gap. There's a little gap in that. And you just kind of wiggle it toward itself, you know, kind of. And you can sometimes, yeah, you hear the metal click. Okay, heard that. So that should be good. Okay. Making progress. We've got 2 more, and then we'll decide whether or not we want to add that. So let's go on with this one. This is a pretty one. This is just a open filigree heart. It's pretty. Again, open up that jump ring, put it on, and find your mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Oh, came right out. One, 2, 3, 4. So that may be the last one on this side. Okay. What's going on here? Here we go. This should be falling from the bottom. Yeah, good. That's good. So open it up. Put the charm on. And one, two, three. Be this one. And you want to make sure your links are not twisted when you do this, because then the charms won't lay right. Okay. That looks pretty good. I think I will. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this on myself, but you know, I'll put it on. We can always take it off, because I like the key, and it's a heart. Can't seem to keep a hold on these things. This is pretty big. And let's see, this would be the 4th one anyway. So there you go. Might be something to hold on to when you're putting it on. So, and here, these are just acrylic beads, but I considered putting these on because they were lightweight. But I liked the weight of these ceramic beads, and I liked that they weren't the same color. You know, and this is kind of dark. I might make a pair of earrings out of these. That's, you know, so they won't go to waste. But here we go. 3rd time's a charm bracelet. I'm going to try to get this on off camera. Okay, with a little bit of struggle, I did get this on. And it does, I think it's a average 7-inch wrist, which really hangs a little low on me. I'm quite pleased. So, this is another way to use up some of those pieces that you find in jewelry jars. I don't remember. I think some of these pieces were loose and some are necklaces. I think these were necklaces. But anyway, you can find charms loose. You can find them on earrings, necklaces, other bracelets. Sometimes on the stretchy bracelets where the stretch has seen better days. Take it off, reuse the beads. And this is what this channel is all about. Just what you can do to reuse, recycle, repurpose, and make other pieces out of it. So there you go. There's our piece for Valentine's Day. Or any day. Don't keep love to one day of the year. Love every single day. So, and I love you guys. You are so supportive and so encouraging. And we all need that. No matter how long we've been around, sometimes we question ourselves. Am I doing the right thing? Should I continue doing this? You know. But anyway, leave a comment down below. Just say hi, or, let me know if you like this, if you want to see more charm bracelets. Do you think I should put little beads of some sort? Trying to find a little bead. Oh, come on. I must have a little bead in here. This was an earring I was considering taking apart to put on here. But, like a little bead like that, minus the ear hook. And to fill in. Even if it's just 2 of them. Let me know. Should I leave it alone? Should I add the beads? I'd like to know your opinion. And I'd like to know if you have any ideas for future projects. Make a suggestion. Alrighty, so that's it. It's done. Until that next project and that next video, you all take care. And I'll see you then. Bye.